Hello, good day, ladies and gentlemen. And in this video, guys, today I'm going to show you guys how to get the ChatGPT Go for 100% free. And this is what is going to be like. It's going to cost around $4 monthly if you're using this ChatGPT Pro Go. And a lot of people cannot actually afford this, or a lot of beginners want to find a free tools or to have access to it for free. And not even just beginners. When you look at the content creating way right now, is moving into AI, and a lot of work is being done on this AI platform, especially ChatGPT. And if you look at the limit of text you need to have on one particular project text in a day, and it's like it doesn't give you what you want, or you look at the amount of image you have to generate, you now see that it doesn't give you a lot of opportunity. You need to start running eta scatter from one platform to another platform to be able to achieve it, and that is what I'm trying to eliminate. And this particular method I'm going to show you is not fishy or scammy. We're doing it legit way, because this particular platform have give India, France, and other country the opportunity to actually make use of this particular package for 100% free, like 12 months free. Remember, VO3 is actually doing the same thing, right? Giving a student the opportunity to grab this particular platform for 12 months free, right? Which Nigeria, India, and other platform country also have this opportunity, right? So this particular platform, which is called ChatGPT, have also decided to do the same thing, which is not anything like it's not wrong or bad, right? So what I need to do right now is to go to your Play Store and go to your you can go to your Play Store or your Google Chrome extension. So if you go to your Play Store, what you need to download here is this Uber VPN proxy. So the reason why I recommend this is that this is what worked for me. I have tried it several times and it's worked for me, because I can actually switch to India and it worked perfectly fine, right? And that is why I said go and use this particular platform, because we want to use India to achieve this goal, right? This opportunity is not in Nigeria and it is in India. Now, when we are switching to India, there's another secret we need to use, because if you are using India, most of you don't have a debit card that can work in India, right? Or work in this platform, right? So there's a way to go about it, which I'm going to show in this video. So if you did not watch this video to the end, please, you're going to do a mistake and come back to this video, drop comment that this doesn't work for you. This particular method I'm going to share is going to work for every one of you that's listening to this video from A to Z, right? So what we're going to do right now is to download it. You can see here I've already had my own. That is why it's showing me remove. And if I come to this pin bar here, you're going to see the Uber VPN is there. So download it on your mobile phone right now and follow the exact list what I'm going to teach you, right? So I'm going to accept this terms and condition. And what it's telling me right now is that another VPN is enabled on this particular system. So what did I need to do? I need to disable it. So I say disable other extension, right? So if you look at it, the VPN that was shown here is gone, right? So now what do we need to do to get rid of this $4? So what we need to do right now is to come down to this, open it again, go to the selection where you see the US, and then type in India, select India, and wait for it to load. When you select this India right now, what you need to do is to do what? Connect to India. So when you connect to India, you're going to wait until you see this connected. Okay? When it shows this connected, then you come back to this ChatGPT and then refresh your browser. So when you refresh your browser, it's going to change automatically to an India, right? Now, let's see. You can see here, it's telling me that I need to try it for free. Remember, it was showing us $4, right? But now we can actually have access to it for free. So just go click on the go session, but I won't recommend that. Just say maybe later. Then come down to this bottom here where you see the India. You need to change it to France. And the reason why we need to change it to France is because we want to use paper for this payment. So for those of you that don't know paper, this is paper. So when you come to your paper, you need to use this paper because our debit card will not work on this particular platform. So we are going to use paper to have access. So how do you set up your PayPal? It's 100% free to set up. Just set it up, add your debit card, which it will work any country, Nigeria, be any country. Put in your debit card to your PayPal and then come and continue what you are doing. So click here to select France. So I'm going to scroll down here until I see France. So click on the France. The reason why we are changing it to France is that France will allow us to use PayPal for the payments. If you use the India, you cannot make the payment, right? So we now need to go and click the upgrade to go. All right. When it's loaded like this, you can see the option of PayPal and debit card, right? Which is credit card. And you can see the amount you are going to pay is going to be zero. Instead of paying over $400, right? We are going to pay zero. So what we need to do right now is to select the PayPal. Remember, you don't select the debit card because it won't work for you. So now that you have selected, we need to put in our name here, which will go to our PayPal and then copy our name to make sure our name is correct. You can see my name is Bentley. So just come down here and paste the name to match with your paper. You can select the billing address, leave it on India, or select it any other country you want. So what you need to do is to put in address. All right, I was interrupted, and that is why I paused the video. Okay, so when you come down here, fill in your name. Okay, then fill in your billing address. Okay, I'm going to put Nigeria. Fill in your location, fill in your zip code, and all that. So after you have done that, just click here that you accept, and it's going to show this subscribe. Then you click on it. It's going to redirect you to PayPal and authorize this payment, right? So that is what is actually going to. As you can see here, is redirecting us to PayPal. So we just need to wait. Okay. Now we're on PayPal, but we need to do the two-factor verification to show that we're a human being, right? It not open well, so I don't know why. Confirm human. So waiting. Okay, see here, and this is the reason why I said you must add your debit card, right? So because here I'm going to say to charge with my debit card when the time comes, right? So I can decide to choose PayPal. So I'm going to choose to charge for my PayPal credit when the time comes, then I'll continue, right? So continue to the application, which I have clicked. I'm going to wait for it to apply. So just hold on and see what's going to happen. Okay, you can see it here, buy now, and I'm going to click continue. So let's just wait and see what is going to happen at the end, which is actually supposed to show successful. So let's just wait right now and then listen to what is going to happen or watch, right? All right, you can see that we have actually successfully subscribed to it, right? So just look at it here. The upgrade button is no longer here, which shows that we have already subscribed to the Pro package. If you look at it here, so what is showing here is plus, right? So we already upgraded. If you come down here, if you come to the organization or go any this, you see that you are not seeing any upgrade button on the bottom anymore. We have already upgraded to the paid plan, right? So now, how do you also confirm that? If you come to your account here, if you refresh, you are going to see it that you have already subscribed, right, to a software. That is what you are going to see inside your account. All right. If you look at it, you see that my balance is still intact, showing that I was not debited, right? So to recap everything we have said, I told you, after you have changed to India, right? On the bottom, select France. Do you understand? When you select France, it will take you and show you PayPal. If you did not select France, it will not show you PayPal. If you select other country, it will not show you PayPal. So make sure you select France, so it will show you PayPal. Then you select your PayPal. When you get your PayPal, when you redirect it to PayPal, you can decide to use your debit card or your PayPal wallet. But sometimes on your PayPal wallet, it will ask you to fill extra details like date of birth, SSL, and all that. So you can decide go direct to use your card. You will not be charged. The only thing you need to do for here is that when is this 11 months or by this time next year, look at the date, jot down the dates down somewhere, come back to the paper and then cancel this transaction. What did I say? By this time next year, come back to paper and then cancel the subscription. If you did not cancel this subscription, the money will be debited. They will debit you this money. So by this time next year, come back and cancel. Like anytime you do this, make sure you jot down the time so you can be able to do what? Cancel the subscription when the time comes. Always cancel your subscription a week before the expiring period. Do you understand me? Always do what? Cancel your subscription a week before the subscribing period. So thank you for watching this video, and I hope you find this video helpful. If you do find this video helpful, do well to smash the like button, drop your comment in the comment section to help the YouTube algorithm to recommend this video. Thank you so much, and I hope to see you in my next video. But remember, if you have not subscribed to my channel, do well to subscribe so you can receive an update whenever I drop new video. Peace and love. I love every one of you. Thank you.